Estamos en Cali, papá.
Pero a la cuenta de tres.
Uno, dos, tres.
Si huele a caña, tabaco y brea, usted está en Cali, ay mire, vea.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
Welcome to Colombia.
All I need is you, baby, baby. Over.
Ay mire, vea. Si las mujeres son lindas y hermosas, aquí no hay fea.
You see? This is Cali now. The real Cali. Space. This is really amazing. Okay.
I was taking a sip.
No.
Hot water, washing machine, 2 bathrooms, 2 full bathrooms, stand-up showers.
What's up, beautiful people? My name is Marwa and I'm coming live from Cali, Colombia. I'm staying in this place right here. You see the outside? That's how the outside looks like. But I want to take you inside and go and have a look at a place I'm staying for $19 a night. $19 a night, okay? $19 a night. It's an Airbnb. And man, even before you continue watching this video, please give it a like, man. I really struggle a lot creating these videos. And man, just reward me by that like and also share my videos, you know. So without further ado, let's see the Airbnb. So that is how it looks like from outside. See? So that's the beautiful Airbnb. That's my laptop right there. And from above, looks like that. And also, it's very tall. I mean the walls from here to the end is very tall because Cali is caliente. Caliente means it's hot. That's the watch. And also on the walls we have here we have some flowers, some just, you know, artistic thing to make the room look beautiful. And that's the door to exit. So if I close it, that's how it goes. Okay. Then we have here, you can wash your hands here or anything you want to clean up. Then, so one thing I loved about this place is it has a carpet. So there's a carpet right there to bring you home or to take you home. That's the fridge right there as you see it. And we have the beautiful touch here. This guy is an architect, actually. The lady who welcomed me told me the same thing. So, and that is the kitchen right here. So apart from what you see here, you can cook. Okay. I always test the water. So water is running. Not so strong, but it's still running. Okay. And here we have other things in the kitchen, you know. Plates right there. And we have bowls. Have some artistic things, you know, right there. You can make coffee and cook. So, and this is the beautiful sitting room. We call it sitting room or lounging area, maybe. I don't know how you call it. And that's my video on my laptop, okay? And apart from that, you can see here, have the beautiful couch. And right there, you can see the view of Cali from outside. There's a very romantic light right there and good, you know. Yeah. We have some stools, extra stools. Actually, you can eat here, so you can be sitting right there and use this as your small table. Let me take you to the bedroom, which is the most important part of an Airbnb. That's the bedroom, how it looks like, man. It's so beautiful. Maybe I should add some more light here. Yeah, I've added some more. You can, it has Netflix, so you can Netflix and chill. Yeah, you know, you can Netflix and chill. And this side looks like the room looks like this. So beautiful anyway. Maybe from this angle you can see very, very beautiful place. And remember, it's $19, okay? Very tall walls. I told you why, because this place is hot, and they give you an extra, you know, fan. You can keep your clothes here. As you see here, your boy Ayamara has his clothes, you know, right there. Let me take you to the bathroom. So here, this is the bathroom. You can take a shower there. You can take a shit and take a shower. Yeah, so that's how it is here. And we also have this. I always test water because I just want to know if it's running. So it's running. Extra towels. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I'm staying here for 5 days, so maybe that's why there are too many, or maybe it's a normal thing for them every day, you know? Yeah, so as you see, man, and also I forgot to say they have a mirror right there, so you can check yourself here. And the Wi-Fi box is right there, if you can see it. That's the Wi-Fi box. Sorry, I lost focus. Yeah, that's the Wi-Fi box. But I'm here to test it when I'm uploading my videos, you know. And actually that's my main concern. I hope it functions well. So far, that's all you can see. Very beautiful Airbnb here. Super beautiful for $19 a night. Okay, yeah. I love the carpet. They have a carpet for you to welcome you like the boss. And right there. Right there. Yeah, I don't know if you have any other questions. Please ensure you go in the link below. There's an Airbnb link. Click in that link. If you don't have an Airbnb app in your phone or computer, download it using my link. I'll get a little commission and you'll get around $37. You know, you'll get some commissions. Yeah, I'm not sure exactly how much, but you'll get your first stay when you book it. You'll get $30 plus. I'm very sure about that. Okay, so if you download the link in the description below. So this is Cali, Colombia, and yeah, my first impression of the city is I can't say anything much. I just arrived. Give me some time, man. I'll be showing you more things about Cali, okay? For now, man, I'm gonna say bye from my beautiful Airbnb, or I don't know how I make this. It's so beautiful here, actually. Yeah, it's so beautiful here. I love the bed. This is like my favorite. Okay, that's my favorite part of the room, the bed, because you wanna sleep good, man. You wanna eat good, sleep good, you know. Right here. Bye bye, and I'll see you next one. Ciao, ciao.
Estamos en Cali, papá.
Pero a la cuenta de 3.
1, 2, 3.
Estamos en Cali, papá.
Space Manga. Woo!
Manga in Cali. So she's the lady who was teaching him how to dance. You saw the steps? Like, yeah. She was so nice and so kind, and you know, I felt like she ambushed, like, boom, come here. But
Yeah. Dance salsa.
you have to dance salsa here in Colombia. Yeah.
Colombia, Cali, Valle. Woo!
And bonita chicas también. Very beautiful girls too here. Okay. Ciao, ciao.
Bye, bye.
Si huele a caña, tabaco y brea, usted está en Cali, ay mire vea.
All I need is you, baby, baby.
Welcome to Colombia.
All I need is you, baby, baby. Over.
Ay mire vea, si las mujeres son lindas y hermosas, aquí no hay fea.